Welcome to another video in the PLA 3.0 What's New series. In this video, we introduce our new Biological Assay Package, version 27. The Biological Assay Package allows the potency analysis of bioassays. It comes with a highly flexible test system to qualify the assay. You can perform combination calculations to obtain a reportable value from independent assay runs. Further, use historic assay data to develop equivalence margins. The add-on also includes a protocol to define workflows for an easy organization of complex methods. The key features of the newest version are a refined user experience, advanced outlier management, additional data processing tools, elaborated analysis capabilities, and enhanced support for assay monitoring. Before we step into the details of the new features, let's have a look at the PLA 3.0 update strategy. PLA 3.0 receives continuous improvements and enhancements. Major new capabilities are introduced with every version of PLA 3.0 and its add-ons. New versions of PLA 3.0 contain comprehensive and novel features, as well as refined functions. Add-ons allow entirely new analytical options and comply with state-of-the-art methods. While new add-ons or add-on versions take advantage of the most recent PLA 3.0 version, you can update PLA 3.0 and its add-ons independently. Let's now look at the new features of the Biological Assay Package version 27. First of all, the dashboard and reports received a fresh look, while the configuration of analytical methods is more intuitive than ever before. The new dashboard shows all main results at a glance, such as the sample potencies, the regression model, or the test status. You can also switch between tabs to view more information about the assay setup and other useful details. The reports provide comprehensive analysis results in a PDF file, now with hyperlinks for convenient navigation. Sample colors further support you in exploring the results. The steps required to analyze an assay may become very complex. Use our newest version to make the configuration of dose sequences, combination calculation methods, or the development of equivalence margins feasible in a few minutes. Some areas even provide additional functions, such as using dilution factors to describe the dose sequence. Stay more flexible when dealing with potential outliers, and consult residual plots for further investigation. The new outlier handling options allow you to cover all kinds of scenarios. Gain full control, and decide whether to remove the outlying value, or the entire dose step. You can also replace the outlier by the mean of the dose step, or keep it in the analysis for inspection. Residual plots can reveal differences between assay data and the estimated regression model. For example, they allow you to inspect detected outliers or verify the regression model. We also added new data processing tools to support block-based adjustments and normalization, replicate averaging, and multiple response columns. Adjust and normalize data within blocks based on your assay layout. For example, shift data to an established baseline, create block-adjusted datasets, and account for plate or litter effects. You can also calculate the replicate mean for more accurate results when using pseudoreplicates. The quantitative response assay document now supports multiple response columns. Maintain all related data in one place, and be less reliant on external tools. For example, enter data from different measurement times, or absorbance spectra, or compare signal to noise. You can also let PLA 3.0 calculate the difference of response columns to use for assay analysis. We further elaborated the analysis capabilities of the add-on. It now provides additional results to qualify the assay, a refined ANOVA with blocking, and extended control over acceptance criteria. The regression model now includes valuable information about parameter confidence intervals, curve characteristics, the root mean square error, and parameter covariances. You can also calculate the recovery rate of the sample potency and interpolate control lines based on the standard curve. You now have the option to provide confounding factors to the ANOVA to explain additional variance in your data. Not only can you cover complex plate designs, but also account for plate or litter effects, edge effects, and replication effects. The newest update also contains additional suitability tests to meet the state-of-the-art requirements of our customers. You can now set up tests on the RMSE value, or the ratio of the slope for nonlinear models. And when performing combination calculations, we have you covered with new tests on the potency spread and the geometric CV. All creatable tests are now grouped for your convenience. In addition, we increase the flexibility of test scopes. Pointing tests directly to a specific sample now allows variability in the margins, for example. Finally, we enhance the assay monitoring capabilities of control charts. You can now trend values of test results, like the p-value from the test on parallelism. Additional curve characteristics are also available now, together with their confidence intervals. Create fully customizable charts with the control chart package for PLA 3.0, and discover conspicuous patterns in your assay data. Please visit www.bioassay.de for more information on PLA 3.0 and download options. You can try PLA, upgrade your existing installation, or buy a license.